Hi, hello, welcome to Success Companion. How to enhance our resume? How can we make ourselves more viable, more good in the market? It's something which we all think about. To make ourselves viable in the market, we have to be successful in presenting ourselves skillful. That is, in job profile, there are some required set of skills which we need to know. Now, it is not that our education or our previous experience might have given us the skills which are required, or there are some more skills which are advancements like in IT industry. Every now and then there will be something new coming into the market, and we are supposed to up to date ourselves based on the market requirement. How can we do that? How much time would we be required to excel at some particular skill? Now, if you search on the Google, if you search for in Google, if you ask how much time it is required to master an skill, it says maximum search results will say 10,000 hours are needed for mastering a skill. A 10,000 hour is equal to 5 productive years. When we compare 10,000 years convert into years, it becomes 5 productive years. Do we have that much time to spend? I don't think so. But what is the other option? Now, I was just looking around and I found a lecture of Josh Kaufman. He is an author and bestseller author, an entrepreneur, and many aspects. In one of his interviews, he was saying that he likes to learn a lot of things, a lot of skills. He wishes to. For that, if he couldn't spend 10,000 hours to learn one particular skill. So he has come up with a shorter form, or he has come up with a plan, a 20 hours technique, wherein he says if we follow this, there are 4 steps. If we follow these 4 steps, we can excel in any task. And recently I have also applied on this, and I'm successful enough with that particular he has suggested a 4-step formula to learn any technique rapidly. First one is reconstruct the skill. It is not that we have to learn complete skill if we have to become a pro in that particular skill at the very beginning itself. No, it is not needed. Some of the very important concepts can be broken out. That is, the skill set can be broken into such a way that which are crucial initially to make ourselves make ourselves familiar with the skill. That skill set can be broken into those parts, and then second step is learn enough for correct yourself. That is, if you learn one particular skill and you yourself can correct where you're going wrong, where you're going right, that much you have to learn. That's the second step. And the third step is remove the practice barriers. It is like always when we sit for doing something, because we are. It is not that always everyone. We have many kind of barriers around us. We have Facebooks around us, or if we are married and certain the people we are already into something, we have our own job coming in between, or our children coming in between. So some of the other barriers. So at least for the practice sake, we have to try to remove the barriers which will come in this first 20 hours. And then practice for the last stage is practice for 20 hours. Thorough practice. Whatever you are chosen, which particular deconstructed part you have taken, that I want to learn this thing first, which you have taken up, that particular part, at least give 20 hours for that particular task to learn. If we do that, we will become definitely 20 hours you're practicing one particular task, you will be definitely becoming excellent in that particular concept. Definitely when you are when you are starting something new, we will look for basic concepts. If you are thoroughing the basic concepts properly, definitely you can improvise later on with the other concepts as well. So I think we can use this technique in our day-to-day life as well, and learn new skills and improve our profile as well. Hopefully this video helps some of you to learn this skill, learn any of the skill using this technique. And please let me know if you feel it is useful in comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.